Welcome to Interactive Whiteboard Basics. Today we're going to take you through the initial setup of your active board. I'm Sarah, and that's Javi.
Yo!
And let's get started.
Thanks, Sarah. Now let's take a look at the red bag that should have come with your board. It looks like this. In some instances, you may have a blue bag, or you might not even have one at all. In any occasion, let's take a look at what comes with your active board. First, you have the VGA and audio hookups. Oftentimes these will come together in one cord. Next, we have our adapters. This connects your computer to the VGA cable. Next, we have the USB cable. This connects your computer to the board and allows them to talk to each other. Next, we have the teacher and student pen. The larger dark gray pen is for the teacher, and the shorter light gray pen is for the student. Next, we have the remote. The remote is used to adjust your board once it's turned on and hooked up. Now that we know what we have, let's find out how to hook up our boards. As you can see here, Sarah is now holding the VGA adapter. The VGA adapter hooks up to the VGA cord like this. Once they're connected, simply tighten the screws on both sides. Take the adapter, plug it right into the computer. The next cord we're going to take a look at is the audio cord. Simply take the cord and plug it into the audio input like this. Finally, take the USB cable and plug it in. It's that simple. One last thing you may have to do is click on the apple, System Preferences, and then Displays. Once you've clicked on Display, click on Arrangement at the top and make double sure that Mirror Displays is checked, like this. The last thing you'll want to do is go up to Display. Once you clicked on that, you can select a resolution based on what kind of computer you're using. Once we have our board hooked up, you need to adjust it, and this is how. First, you'll want to look at the front of your projector. You'll see a black metal ring. Do not touch the bulb. To adjust the focus, pull down or push up the metal ring. Next, we're going to adjust our keystone. First, find your remote and look at the following button. When you press it, you'll be able to adjust your board like this. Once keystone is pressed, just press up or down to adjust. Next, let's take a look at the menu on the projector. We can do this by pressing the menu button here. When you press menu, you'll see the following screen. You'll want to select the computer icon at the top. Once you've done that, come down so we can start making the adjustments. To adjust where the projection is left to right, use this selection. To adjust it up or down, use this selection. Finally, press down one more time and you'll get a new menu. If you go down to this box, you'll be able to make your screen wider or more narrow. This selection will allow you to make your screen taller or shorter. Now that your board is hooked up and looking good, go to www.prometheanplanet.com and register for a free Planet account. There you'll be able to find support, free resources, or even professional development. Thanks for tuning in, and keep it classy, Cartwright.